back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious chiles rellenos en caldo that I know you guys are going to love. They are stuffed with queso fresco and queso Oaxaca. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare these delicious and amazing stuffed chile poblano in soup. These are the ingredients: queso Oaxaca, queso cacique, chicken bouillon, eggs, half a cabbage, 1 zucchini, 1 carrot, half an onion, 1 tomato, chile poblano, and vegetable oil. This is everything we need to make this amazing and delicious Chiles Rellenos caldo. So let's get started. We are going to start by roasting the chile poblanos. This is what takes much more time, getting ready our chiles poblanos. When they are nice and roasted, the chiles, we are going to add them into this little bag so they start sweating. Look at this. I'm gonna leave them in here for about 5 minutes. After all the chiles have been in the little baggie for 5 minutes, I am ready to remove and ready to start taking the skin off. I know that this is time consuming, but let me tell you, this is a very delicious, authentic Mexican recipe. And this is how you start taking the skin off the chiles poblanos while they're still nice and hot. Once you remove all the skin, then you are ready to remove the stem and the seeds. Be very careful. You want to leave this opening so that we could stuff the chiles with the queso Oaxaca and queso cacique. This combination of cheese, oh my God, just amazing. And now I'm going to continue with my veggies. I'm just gonna slice the zucchini. I'm gonna slice the carrot, and I'm gonna start just cutting in half the half an onion, making sure that the tomato I cut in small little pieces, just like that. And of course, the cabbage. The cabbage I'm going to just slice. I want large pieces. You know that the cabbage really cooks really fast. And now I'm ready to slice the carrot, and all my veggies are ready. Look at this. Let me show you how easy this is. Of course, you could add as many veggies as you want. And here, all the veggies are ready. I'm going to put them aside. I'm going to continue by separating the whites and the yolks. And I'm using 6 eggs. I'm going to continue separating them. When I'm done, I'm going to continue with the cheese. I have the queso Oaxaca here that I'm going to cut in medium pieces. But I want to show you that I want to make sure that I cut the queso Oaxaca and the queso cacique almost the same size so that they fit really good into the chile poblano. Look at this. This is how you want to cut the pieces of the queso Oaxaca. And now I am going to show you how I'm going to cut the pieces of the queso cacique. I'm using 2 whole cheese, okay? I am going to slice and then cut one more time, and leaving the pieces almost the same size. That's exactly how you want it. When you make chile rellenos, Be very generous with your cheese. You want the chile poblanos to be extra stuffed. Look how easy this is. I'm going to go ahead, put it aside, and the cheeses are ready. And now that the chile poblano is ready and the cheese is ready, I am ready to start stuffing the chile poblanos. And like I always say, be generous with your cheese. I love making chile rellenos. They could be dry, they could be in caldo, in soup. I really love chile rellenos. Even an amazing sauce. But of course, you guys already have those amazing recipes. You could stuff your chile poblano with so many things. On my channel, you have chile poblano stuffed with shrimp, chile poblano stuffed with meat, chile poblano stuffed with so many different variety of stuffing. But here I am stuffing the chile poblanos with cheese. And as you could see, I'm being very generous with my cheese. Once they're nice and filled, then I am ready to start mixing the egg whites and getting them nice and fluffy. Look at this. They are ready. And here I have all my egg whites. I'm going to mix until they're nice and fluffy. Once they are, I'm going to add my yolks. And I'm going to continue mixing. On the stove, I have a pan with vegetable oil, and I'm ready to make and cover and fill. Look at this, the chiles. We're going to coat it really good, and then there they go to the very hot oil. You're just going to flip them once, and look how beautiful they come out. That's exactly how you want your chile rellenos. Here in boiling water, I'm adding some chicken bouillon to taste, all the carrots, the tomato, the onion, and I'm going to reserve the zucchini and the cabbage for the end. The zucchini and the cabbage really cooks really fast, so I'm going to leave that towards the end. Once it's boiling really good from the center, then you're ready to add your chiles. But here I'm just going to taste it. It's already boiling from the center. I'm going to add my zucchinis, my chile rellenos, the extra egg, and I'm going to top it off with the cabbage. Once it starts boiling from the center, turn off your stove, and this is done, ready for you to enjoy. Look at this. It's already boiling. I'm going to turn it off. And of course, to enjoy this caldo, I'm adding some corn tortillas. And this is the delicious chile relleno with all the veggies. I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Don't forget, leave me a thumbs up. See you soon. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing caldo de chile rellenos. Of course, you need some tortillas. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. This is such a delicious and healthy caldo that you're going to love it. You really enjoy all the veggies in this caldo de chile rellenos. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing caldo de chile rellenos. See you soon. Bye-bye.